Hi everybody, Dave Monahan, Goodson Tools and Supplies. Once again, it's time for another Tech Lab Tuesday, but today I'm not going to pick up a product and give you a feature in a bit, and I want you to be aware of a couple of things that we do around here. This is kind of one of those did you know videos, did you know this, did you know that? Well, I want to let you know a couple of things that I think are important to know. There's some of the things we hang our hats on around here at Goodson Tools and Supplies. One of them is same day shipping. We ship the same product the same day. You need it, it goes out. You call us in that day, it goes out that day. 99% of the time. We have a fast, friendly service. Our order desk people come to training on a weekly basis. We only hire friendly people, and so that goes a long way when you pick up the phone. Speaking of picking up the phone, when you actually do call us, a real person will answer the phone. You won't get a machine. You won't get lost in a whole trail of press 1 for this, press 2 for that. No, we'll actually let you talk to a real human being who will connect you to another human being. One thing you can't go without in this world is technical support. We are very, very proud to offer full technical support. Ask us about our products. What RPMs do they run in? Do they need coolant? Do they not need coolant? What are the specifications of this application, of that application? What's your opinion on how I should machine this? That's why you call Goodson. Give us a call. We'll give you that technical support. Also, we don't have a minimum order. You can order something for a nickel if you want to afford the freight. I don't have too many things in the catalog that cost a nickel, but there is no minimum order. We protect you with our ironclad guarantee. That's right. And what that guarantees is you can return anything for any reason. Even if the tool works exactly as we told you it would and you don't like it, you can still return that tool. So you don't have to jump through hoops. You don't have to get an RGA number. Just put a copy of the invoice in the box, put a little note on there. I don't like this tool for whatever reason. Send it back to us. You'll get all your credit put back on your books. So we have secure online ordering at Goodson.com. You can put your credit card right on there. We've got all the security that you need to be protected when you're working late at the shop. You want to get an order to your friends at Goodson. Jump on the website, Goodson.com. Place that order. Pay for it with your credit card. Have the confidence to know we got your base covered. We have made-to-order abrasive belts. You heard about that in one of the other videos that I've made up here. But yeah, we make our abrasive belts right here in the Goodson building here in Winona, Minnesota. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. I want to thank you for your time today. Please catch us on the web at Goodson.com or call me direct, 1-800-533-8010. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.